Peace be upon all. Welcome to another quick reflection on the Qur'an so we can get the day off to the right start. Today we are looking at chapter 30, verses 31 and 32. Allah says, Munibina ilayhi, turning to Him, to God. Okay? Munibina, by the way, you will notice is a derivative of my name, Munib. But let's move on. It means turning to God. Wattaquhu, and have taqwa with Him. We've studied taqwa before. Wa aqimus salata. We will study what aqimus salata means per the Quran separately. Wala takunu minal mushrikeen, and not be of the mushrikeen, of those who ascribe divinity to others beside God, who do shirk, mushrikeen. Okay, now here comes a description of mushrikeen. Minal ladhina farraqu dinahum, of those people who create differences, divisions, farraqu, divisions, differences in their deen. So there are people who create sects, differences in the deen, in the way of life. Wakanu shia'an, and become different groups, sects. So can you see how Allah is describing what mushrikeen is, or at least one particular characteristic of mushrikeen, those people who are dividing the deen. And the reason why that is shirk is because essentially when you're divided into sects, you're giving authority to people, not to God. Remember, turning to God. So you're not doing that, you're giving authority to people who have divided you. Kullu hizbin bima ladayhim farihun. Each group in what they have rejoicing. All of these different groups, the different sects, they are happy, they're pleased with what they have, what their sect believes in, the authority that they are believing in. They're all happy. So here, what is here for us to reflect on today is number one, that Allah is telling us to turn to Him alone, munibina ilayhi. And He's telling us not to be of those who do shirk, those who are creating divisions in deen. Now let's reflect on the state of Muslims today, which is utterly divided into so many different sects. Each sect rejoicing in their own sect, being in their different groups. Allah's telling us that is essentially giving authority to humans rather than to God alone. And that is shirk. And we know shirk is a grave sin. So let's reflect and do something about this. Have a great day. Peace.